So I just got back from a pretty long trip, about 539 miles, and tried out the Mosko Nomad Tank Bag for carrying my camera, the way Mosko suggested doing one of their videos. My camera's a little bigger than theirs, but I tried it. At first I forgot to use these carabiners here, but found it totally essential because the camera liked to work its way out. But really easy to get to the camera, pull it out, and goes right back in. It's very well protected right there. Worked out pretty good. No problems, no issues. It never came out. Once I put the carabiners on here, had no problems. I used the molly webbing, and I put a goggle holder right here and carry a knife right there, right here. Works really well. Had my bike pretty loaded on this trip. I did some climbing in addition to my camping gear and lots of water for Death Valley. I had to pile some stuff on here, but it's actually pretty lightweight, so it wasn't really an issue. But I don't think I want to do that again. I'm probably going to figure out another way to carry all that gear. Thinking a Reckless 80 or something like that. But the bags worked perfect. About 540 miles, I guess, and half of that was in the dirt. Had no issues with any of them. This camera setup worked really well.